Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be putting together a floral arrangement in sunflowers. Come on with me, guys. Alright, so in this video today, while I'm making this floral arrangement, I thought I would bring you some announcements. Come on with me, guys. So here are some quick reminders. Now every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have quick and easy meals. Now on the 11th, we do have a special edition. It is a one-pot meal. So make sure and look at my community tab so that you can see the flyer. Now on August 5th, we have two open playlists, the home cleaning motivation and the food grocery haul. Those are open playlists. Doesn't matter when you drop your video. I will update the playlist on Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so August 9th, we have Decorating with Sunflowers, and that's being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just decorate any area of your home with sunflowers, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so we have August 10th. All Things Decor Tabletop Collaboration. That's being hosted by Debbie Bubbles. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember, you can decorate any table in your home, any tabletop in your home, and just reveal. So I'll see you there, guys. Let's not forget Tablescape Tuesdays. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This week on August 6th, we have no guests. It is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you there. So you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.